Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 612, shortest distance in a plane. The way we'll be solving this problem is by using cross-join. So cross-join is an inbuilt function within SQL which allows us to match a given row in a table with every single other row in another table. So this allows us to create all of the combinations that we care about. So using cross-join, we'll be solving this problem. So let's get started. So let's do select, let's create this formula, right? This mathematical formula. So square root, we know this is an inbuilt function already, and then we have the power function. So this allows us to calculate the distance between the 2 points. So this will be, I will take the two tables and alias them as T1 and T2. 2.x, and this is being raised to the power of 2. And we need to add the y coordinate part to this. And okay, and we square root that, we just change this to y. And this column needs to be renamed as shortest, because that's the result we need to output. And then what table are we taking it from? We take it from the table point 2D, but we alias the first table as T1, and we use cross join. Again, the same table, but we alias that as well, point 2D, and then we name it as T2. So let's just compile this and see what's up, if it gives us the results that we care about. So you see that every single row gets cross-joined with every single other row in the same table because we're using the same table twice. So this row gets matched with this row again, and this row, and this row, and we see that every single result will give us 3 rows, right? So that makes sense. And the other thing that we care about is that we see multiple zeros here. What exactly is that? So since we're cross-joining with every single row, sometimes you're basically calculating the distance between two points that happen to be the same ones. So distance between the same points is obviously 0, so we need to filter that out. So having shortest is not equal to 0, right? Now let's try that. So we should get only 2 points per row. That is amazing. Right, that's amazing. All right, so what do we need to do next? We need to order it by, so we need to get the shortest distance. And when you order it, it's always happens in ascending order. So we don't have to do anything there. And then we need to limit it by 1, since we care only about the shortest. So let's try running this now. And this gives us 1, which is awesome. Let's try submitting this. Okay, seems like the answer is different because of the rounding, so we can add the rounding, which is also an inbuilt function, round, and then you add a rounding of 2, and then let's try running this again. The first test case is accepted. Everything else works as well. Awesome. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'd really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.